Hi everyone, this is Professor Kettler. I'm going to do this video for you to show you how to access the quizzes because there's a lot of confusion over this. Most people, when they go to the quizzes and then they're like, oh, there's no quizzes here. So what you have to do is you have to go to content and go into the module that you are completing. And then you'll just write, like, there's the module, and then you just scroll down to the bottom. It says assignments, and you click on chapter reading quizzes. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick a random quiz. So when you are doing the quizzes, make sure that you have completed the work, the reading first, because obviously that's what's going to give you the information for the quiz, to do well on the quiz. So do the chapter reading. I always tell students to do the chapter reading and then do the quiz immediately because the information is fresh in your brain and you'll probably do a lot better than if you try to take this quiz, at the last second. So if we were going to go into quiz 2, it tells you the due date, and then you have 22 minutes to complete the assignment. So I'm just going to go ahead and click start so you can see kind of what it looks like. So there's the time. You have every quiz, you have 15 questions. They're worth a point each. If you look at the grading policy, it tells you that you only get one try per question. You do lose credit for, incorrect answers. If you run out of time, you can't request the answer. I don't know why it says that. But if you run out of time, whatever you had left gets counted against you. So if you had 3 left, you minus those points. If you have 10 left, minus those points. You also cannot turn this in late. So if you try to access it late, it won't pop up and you'll get an automatic 0 for that. So what you'll do is you will go into the problem and then you'll just start answering the questions. I'm just going to random click. Make sure that, you click and then you hit submit. Well, maybe you can request the answer. Yeah, so if you do that, it's not going to count the answer towards your credit. It's going to count against you, and you don't get a replacement answer, a replacement question. So if you request the answer, it's an automatic, you lost that point. So anyways, let's just say that, don't forget to hit the submit button. So we're going to hit submit, and then we're going to go to next. And then we're just going to go through and answer. So if I hit next, it'll tell me like, hey, you got to hit submit. So you have to go back and answer it and hit submit. And then once you get to the end, you're done and you move on, to the next thing. So you can see here, like the timer is counting down. I can tell where I am in the quiz. So I hope that helps. Remember, it's basically just, go to the module, scroll down to the assignments. And this is also where you're going to find your midterm as well. So you can see right here, there's the midterm exam. And then in module 5, if you scroll down to assignments, right, here's your final lab exam. Okay, so that's going to be given in this as well. All right, I hope that was helpful, and I will see all of you later.